सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EduTech. Today we are watching some GK quiz and their answers. Listen carefully and pay attention. Now I am starting my session. What is used by the driver to determine the direction of running the car? This question answer is steering. Well, everyone is knowing that. Driver to determine the direction of running the car. What look horns in the stock market? What look hands in the stock market? Bulls and bears. Bulls and bears. Name of the Union Territories of India. Name the Union Territories of India. We will watch this question answer. National Capital Territory of Delhi. Second, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Chandigarh, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep. All these union territories. What in plants is transported by what? This question answer is excellent. What is not the component of chlorophyll, nitrogen or calcium? This question answer is calcium. Onion alliums lecepha is modified form of stem. This question answer is stem. What is the botanical name of tomato? Solanum lycoperiscum. Solanum lycoperiscum. This is the botanical name of tomato. What category of animal is an octopus? Cephalopod. This category of animal is an octopus. Is the temperature of the moon higher or lower during this day? This question answer is higher. Very good. Which is the smallest, Neptune, Mars or Mercury? Mercury is the smallest planet. Okay. Today we have watched some GK quiz and their answers. So now I am completing my short lecturing here. Namaskar.